Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Lendio account. Creating a Lendio account is simple, but each step matters if you want smooth access to funding options. First step, open your browser and go to lendio.com. Then on the home page, locate and click the sign up or get started button. You're going to be redirected to the registration page. Here, just enter your first name, last name, business email, and a secure password. After this, Lendio asks for your business details. So go ahead and provide the company name, entity type, as well as your business industry. Once that's done, confirm the information and then hit create account. Once submitted, you're going to land in your personal Lendio dashboard. This is where you can track applications, view offers, and manage funding options. You can use accurate business information when registering, because Lendio depends on these details to determine your eligibility. A mistake here could delay the loan matching process. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.